Hi, I'm going to teach you how to copy a segment. I have a segment here and I want to copy it. So the first thing you do is with a straight edge, I'm just going to make a line, a segment, a line, array, something that is significantly longer than what I'm given originally. So I am going to label one endpoint A, but I'm going to put a little apostrophe. That's A prime. That's like my new A. Okay, so that endpoint right here is my new A. And in fact, I'm going to make it like an endpoint so you know that, here, let me fix this, so that you know that that is definitely an endpoint. Okay, see that little endpoint right there? So that's A prime. So you take your original segment, line up the center with point A, line up your pencil with point B. And actually, let me switch this around because it's not reaching very well for me. So I'm going to go like this. And so that way you can see the compass, line up the compass. And if your endpoint is kind of like a blob like this, you probably want to get as close as you can to the center of that little blob, even though it should be a very precise dot. Okay, and I'm going to go reach over to B. Notice I have to adjust my compass as needed just to line it up perfectly. I want to be as accurate there. That looks pretty accurate. So now I'm going to make a little arc mark. I've got my arc mark right there. And because I'm on a computer, it's a little bit off. It should be as close to the center of point B as possible. Now, do not change the size of your compass. Just slide your compass down or over and move it to point A prime. So I'm going to move this right about there. That looks fairly centered. And I'm going to make an arc mark right here. What that means is the length from A prime to this intersecting point is exactly the same segment or same length as A to B. So I'm going to call this B prime. And I just copied this segment. It's exactly the same length, and I didn't even have to use a ruler. I hope that helped.